Hi guys, thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel. This is your girl Shorty B, back with another video. And today I'm going to be cooking some cauliflowers in my air fryer. Buffalo cauliflower with buffalo homemade sauce. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, first thing you have to do is I have some cauliflower, and you want them to be like about this size. So you just they're like little leaves, so you just tear them apart however size you would like. This is for the vegetarians. You just tear them apart like on the stem. So you're just taking, if you want them small stems, you just peel them like small. Like if I wanted them to be this small. But if I wanted them to be this big, I would have them like this. Okay, so we have them all pulled apart. Now we're going to pour the cauliflower into a bowl. And we're going to take 1 tablespoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of seasoning salt. You can add salt and pepper if you like, but I don't need salt and pepper after I put my garlic powder and my seasoning salt. I'm not a big salt fan. So then you're just going to toss your seasoning all around. Then you're just going to toss them, boil. I have 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to pour it all over. We're going to toss those. I'm going to add another tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil because I want them to be extra crispy. And we're putting them in the air fryer. So we're going to say 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and toss them. Now we're going to put our cauliflower in with our air fryer, and we're going to cook them for 10 minutes. We're going to make our buffalo sauce. We have 1 bowl. We have 1 cup of hot sauce of your choice. We have a half a cup of melted butter. We have some red peppers that I dehydrated myself. One tablespoon. And we're going to stir it all up. Guys, you can cook this over the stove, or I'm just going to pop it in the microwave for 2 minutes and we'll be done. Now we just took them out of the air fryer. They've been cooking for 10 minutes. They're crispy. Now we're going to pour them in a bowl. Now we have them poured in a bowl. We're going to pour them in a bigger bowl so that we can put the sauce on. And this is our buffalo sauce. We're going to toss them. Let's taste one. Then we're going to pop them back into the air fryer for 5 minutes with the sauce on them. They're delicious. These are coming out the air fryer with the buffalo sauce on them. Guys, they look so delicious. Now we're going to plate them. Vegetarian Monday with cauliflower buffalo special sauce. Thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel.